In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collapsible text on a Wix website. Adding collapsible text can be a great way to enhance your website's design, providing a clean and organized way to present information that might otherwise clutter the page. This feature is particularly useful for FAQs, lengthy explanations, or any other content you want to make accessible on click without overwhelming the viewer visually. To kick things off, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. This is where you manage and customize your site content. Once you're in the editor, it's time to start setting up your collapsible text. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Go ahead and click on Add Elements. This section allows you to incorporate different features and functionality into your site. Now, within the menu, you'll notice an option labeled Text. Clicking on this will show you various text options you can add to your page. But what we are interested in here is something a little more dynamic. Look for collapsible text. This option will transform what could be a lengthy block of text into a neat segment that visitors can click to expand or collapse as needed. After you've selected collapsible text, you'll be given a few styles to choose from. Wix offers several pre-designed layouts for collapsible text, making it easy to pick one that suits your website's aesthetic. Once you've made your selection, it's time to click Collapsible Text Box. This will add a placeholder collapsible text box onto your page. You can drag and position it wherever you see fit. With your collapsible text box in place, the next step is customizing your content. For that, you'll want to look for the option Change Text. Clicking this will allow you to edit the text inside the collapsible box. It's straightforward. Just type in whatever content you want to include. This feature makes it easy to update and modify what's inside without having to redo the entire process. Design is just as crucial as the content, so let's make sure it looks good. Click on Change Design, which will give you access to various design settings. This is where you can adjust fonts, colors, and other stylistic elements, ensuring the collapsible text not only matches but enhances your website's overall design. Finally, you might notice an option for Highlight. Clicking this will activate design highlights or special effects for your collapsible text section. This could be a really nice touch to draw attention to specific parts of your content, making sure important information pops out to your visitors. By following these steps, you now have a collapsible text box on your Wix website that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're adding FAQs, terms, or any content that requires concise presentation, collapsible text is a valuable tool in your web design arsenal. Thanks for tuning in and happy website building!